Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how you can remove it. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the general section, then accounts and synchronization, tap add account, then select Google. Of course, you'll need internet connection to add Google account. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to select if you will use this device or if your child will be use this device. Tap next. Then agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then select if you want to enable Google backup feature. If you want to enable it, just tap next. If you don't want to enable it, remove tick from here and then tap next. An account will be added. So if you want to remove this account, select it here and then tap here and select remove account and confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.